Hi everybody, today we will talk about Bitpay app. So Bitpay app is basically a crypto app. Alright, so now let's just go to the Bitpay app. Okay, so as you can see here, we are actually in the landing page of Bitpay app. Okay, so the Bitpay app is basically the most secure crypto app, and you can buy, store, swap and spend cryptocurrencies all in one app. Okay, and you can even turn your Bitcoin into the dollars with the Bitpay crypto debit card. Alright, and you can even get the cashback automatically. Alright, so now let's just explore a bit more about the Bitpay here. So let's just scroll down. Okay, so with the Bitpay, you can actually buy cryptocurrencies instantly, fast, easy and secure. Okay, all you need to do, you would have to sign up to buy the crypto at the great rates, and then you can buy, store, swap and spend your favorite crypto all in one secure app. Alright, so now just scroll down again, and in the bitmap you can actually store and spend your Bitcoin on your terms. You don't need to trust a website to hold your crypto. Secure your fund in the non-custodial crypto app, and you can have the easy backups and industry leading setting. You can also manage the multiple wallets on the go, instant access to all of your assets. And in the end, you can also pay with the crypto and buy the gift card straight from your wallet. And the Bitpay is actually available on the App Store, Google Play Store and Windows 10, and also it is available on the Linux. Okay, so let's just explore all of these apps here. Okay, so as you can see here, the Bitpay app on the App Store, and these are the screenshots as you can see here. And we have some description here. We have the rating and the reviews, that is 3.7, which is good actually. And then we have the app privacy information, and we also have the other apps by this developer or by this company. All right, so let's just go into the, and in the Android app, as you can see the screenshots here. So let's just click on any screenshot. The only crypto app for the spenders. And you can also see the other screenshots here. Turn the crypto into the dollar instantly, and the cashbacks on all of the purchases, safe, secure and non-custodial. Pay with the crypto and buy crypto and track the prices, fast, easy and customizable and etc. Alright, and in here we actually have 3.8 rating of the app. That is pretty good as well. Okay, so now let's just open up the Windows app. So in the Windows app we actually have the same screenshots, but by the way we don't have the reviews here. Alright, so let's just go to the Linux app, and in the Linux app, do we have the reviews? I don't think so. Okay, so there is no option for the review here. Alright, so let's go back to the official website of the Bitpay. Okay, so after that, let me just scroll down. You can load your wallet with the crypto and spend with the dollar and get rewarded. And in the end, you can see here, we have the Bitpay for the individuals. We also have the Bitpay for the businesses. It has a crypto debit card, and we can even use the Bitpay to buy the gift cards and buy the crypto. Alright, so let's just click on the debit card here. In the debit card service, they temporarily pause the new Bitpay cards applications while Bitpay card applications. Alright, so let's go back. Okay, so now what we need to do to use the Bitpay, first of all, we have to create an account here. So let's just click on the get started. Okay, so we can have the account for the personal use or the business use. Okay, so I would simply click on the personal use. But if you just want to have the Bitpay wallet, you just have to click on this and you would need to download the app. We would get into this after creating the account here. Okay, so in the account, you basically need the first name, last name, email address and the password, and you just have to agree on the terms with the Bitpay. So I have already created an account, so I will just simply log into my Bitpay account. Okay, so let's just submit the login details. Alright, so now I just have to get rid of this. Okay, so I have logged into my Bitmap account, and now you can see here we have the welcome message. We can have the wallet from here, and we have the price chart of the Bitcoin, Cash and Ether and the Ripple. Okay, you can see the card here, and you can see the crypto payment here. Alright, so let's just go back to the home and click on the get the wallet. So in the wallet, you can actually buy, store, swap and spend your crypto, and you can download the app from here, or you can scan the QR code. So the wallet is actually secure, and it uses the multi-factor security. And in the wallet, you can actually buy and swap the cryptocurrencies, okay, such as the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and etc. And you can also buy and swap the stable coins, and you can use the crypto just like the cash just by using the Bitpay card from the Bitpay app. Okay, first of all you would need to load the Bitpay card and then you can use it as the dollars. All right, and you can even spend your cryptos with your favorite brands. Okay, so let's just click on view all brands here, and I will also click on the view merchant directory. All right, so let's just scroll down, and here you can see the reviews of the Bitpay app. Okay, and in the end we have the frequency asked questions. All right, and in the end we have the same thing that we have discussed earlier. Okay, but I will actually explore the couple of things here, the online crypto payment for the businesses, and I will also like to talk about the pricing for the businesses, and I will also go into the careers of Bitpay. Okay, so you can actually buy the gift cards with the cryptos. Okay, so how it works, first of all you need to download the Bitpay app or get the Chrome extension, and then you have to choose the gift card, you have to choose the account, and you can pay for the card with your preferred wallet and the cryptocurrency, and you will receive your gift card instantly. Okay, so this is how you can buy the gift card with the crypto. Okay, so in the merchant directory, as you can see here, more than 250 companies in the store that accept the cryptocurrencies. All right. And for the businesses, how they can actually accept the cryptocurrencies payment from all over the world. Okay, so this is how it works. First of all, the Bitpay would display the invoice of the customer. And the second thing is that the payment, your customer pays the Bitpay invoice at the logged in exchange rate. And the third one is the conversion. And in the last, we would have the transfer of the money. Okay, so this is how the businesses can use the Bitpay to accept the payment, the crypto payments from all over the world. And let's just go into the pricing for the businesses. So in the pricing, the Bitpay simply charge the 1% transaction fee plus 25 cents, which is actually the fixed fee. All right, so this is it. And you can see here the crypto acceptance fees here. If the monthly transaction is actually below than 500,000 USD, then the transaction fee would be the 2%. If it is between the 500,000 and 999 USD thousand, it would be 1.5, and if it greater than or equal to 1 million USD, then it would be the transaction fee would be the 1%. Okay, so this is how the Bitpay is charging the businesses. And in the last, we have the career at the bitmap. So in the career, you can actually view the open positions if you want to do the job in the bitmap, and they have raised 72 millions, and the total number of employees are 85, and the age of the company is 12 years. All right, so right now we don't have any open position in the bitmap, but you can actually check the open positions, okay, regularly. You might have any where you can apply for the job. Okay, so this is how you can use the Bitpay, and this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.